Good morning, LKG children. How are you, Nana? I hope you are doing good. Children, open your practice book, Nana. Term 2. Okay, 2. Term 2. Practice book. Term 2, Nana. Okay. Open page number 3 in your practice book. See page number 3. This is page number 3. See, recap. What is that? Recap. Write the beginning letters of the given pictures. One is done for you. Okay? Beginning letters of the given pictures. What is this, children? Aeroplane. So here they have written capital A and small a. So like that we should write this. Okay, children? So capital A and small a. Now see, what is this? Banana. Write capital B, small b. Capital B, small b. Now see, what is that? Camel. C, capital C, small c. C for camel only, no? Yes. Capital C, small c. What is that? Drum. D for drum. So what is the first letter? D. So write capital D and small d. Capital D, small d. Capital D, small d. D for drum. Now see, children, what is this? I. E-Y-E, I. So in that first letter, what, children? Capital E. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Right, capital E and small e. Okay. Now see, frog. F for frog. What is first letter in that? F. Capital F, small f. Now see, girl. G for girl. What is first letter? Girl in girl? Capital G and small g. H for horse. Capital H, small h. H for horse. What is this, children? Yes. I for insect. Capital I, small I. Insect. Now see, what is this? Jeep. J, capital J, small j. J for jeep. Kangaroo. What is first letter? K. Capital K, small k. Okay. Now see, lion. Capital L, small l. L for lion and L. So write capital L and small l. Now turn the page, children. Now turn the page. What is there in that? M. M for mango. Okay, M for mango. So we will paste the stickers. Okay, mango and M letter. Okay, children. See, children, what is this letter? Capital M. So paste here in a capital M. Completed pasting, and now paste mango. M for mango. Completed pasting. Now we will write. Okay. So capital M. First we should trace out M. 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 Trace out completed, na, children. Now we will write here. Okay. So here write capital M in 3 lines now. Okay. Completed. Down also you should write. Okay. Homework. capital M. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. M for mango. Children, are you practicing? A to L for words practice చేస్తున్నారా? So you are not sending to my WhatsApp number, Nana. So please don't forget to send your performance. Okay, మీరు ఎంత అయితే ఇంటి దగ్గర ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తున్నారో అదంతా నాకు వాట్సాప్ లో సెండ్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? Now see children, completed capital M writing. Now we will write small m. Okay, now see, this is small m. M for monkey. So first we have to paste the stickers. Okay, now see here children, I forgot to trace out this M letter, Nana. Okay, don't forget, trace out. Okay, now we will paste the stickers, Nana. So children, small m, monkey. Pasting completed now children. You also paste like this and trace out small m and write small m in your classwork. Okay, classwork అని ఉంది కదా నాన్న ఇక్కడ. So there you should write this classwork. Okay, and now we will write homework. Okay, first we should trace out small m. Trace outing completed now children. Now we will write. Okay, small m, 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 small m. Completed. Children, you know how to write small m and capital M. Okay, so write in your practice book, Nana, like this. Okay, after writing, take a photo and send it to my WhatsApp number, children.